What's up, everybody? My name's Osiris, and I'm that guy who's going to do an unboxing today for Blue Nile. So I ordered this a couple days ago, and I wanted to show my viewers what it's like, the experience from buying from Blue Nile, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so this is very nice. This is very, very nice. If you see here, it's a very pretty box. It's got nice detail here. I like the emblem. Let's see. All right, very nice. I like the presentation, very beautiful. Before I open the diamond, let's see what's in here. So we have a GIA certificate. It's a mini cert. Sometimes you have a mini or a big cert. Shows the Brown Brilliant, 0.90 carat J color VS2. So another reason I wanted to get this stone was it's a J color with a strong blue fluorescence. I wanted to show my clients that when you're getting a lower color stone, fluorescence can be of value. So let's get into it. Next to that we have protected jewelry, Jewelers Mutual Insurance Company, which is technically the big player in the field. Okay, so we got this. Looks like we have, oh, interesting, a free ring sizer, 10.5. Yeah, it's pretty good. So we have a ring sizer. We have a jewelry care guide. My receipt, which I paid for this, okay. It has an appraisal, which is cool. They do this for free. Estimated a value of $6,800, and with this is when you contact Jewelers Mutual. So very nice. You have an appraisal. You have your receipt, of course. You get a free ring guide, and you have your GIA certificate. And if you guys don't know already, GIA is the authority in diamond grading. You do not want to buy a diamond if it's not GIA certified, and AGS is another top of the line. Other than that, I would not go outside of those companies. GIA, AGS. So let's get to it. Let's open the diamond. Let's see what we got. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. So something I wanted to do here was show the 0.90 can be very beautiful, especially with a halo ring. It really gives a nice presence to it. Some people want to go for the 1 carat, and maybe they can't afford the 1 carat. A 0.90 with a nice halo gives a really beautiful presence. The ring is very sparkly. Let me go ahead and evaluate this a little deeper. This cut is amazing. Evaluate the jewelry. The side stones were supposed to be of a good high quality, and it is a high quality. This is gorgeous. Now I have a huge hand, so it's not gonna look the same on me, of course. I'm 6'3" and 240 pounds, but it is a very nice diamond. All in all, I love the box, I love the presentation, and of course the diamond and the ring is gorgeous, which that's the most important part. And another important factor is I didn't overpay. I did not overpay. I bought right. They had the correct certificates. And that, for me, is the number one reason you buy online. That's the number one reason you buy from a company like Bluenile, because you're gonna get value for your purchase. Your dollar's gonna go a lot farther. You have power and options. They have a huge inventory. And frankly, I mean, this is a gorgeous box presentation. You're not buying from a small rinky-dinky store at a mall. Please do not buy a diamond at the mall, please. I hope you found this helpful. If you go to the description box below, you will find a link to my site where I have many articles and information to help you make a smart choice when you buy your diamond. Learn and do not overpay. Smash that like button, send me an email or write in the comment section below if you have any questions or concerns. And also, I will be putting up a video in the next coming weeks showing you how to navigate the back end of Bluenile, how to navigate the site, how to use the sliders to your advantage, and to learn how to narrow down that diamond choice that's perfect for your budget and gives you the best value. Thanks guys, see you soon.